Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here on the Scoop Studio at Productronica 2017 and I'm joined by Ernst from Microelectronics. Good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. So many of your principals here, so much to talk about. Tell me a little bit about the highlights of what they've got new at the show, and then we'll talk about what you're doing.
Good morning. The highlights we have here at the show are two product ranges that Microelectronics makes themselves. We have exhibited both machines here. One of them is a solderability tester, which is exhibited in Hall 1. The other one is with Kolb at the moment. It is a machine to measure the ionic contamination of boards after they have been cleaned. And that is a brand new product for us, and it is the introduction of this to the market this week.
Okay, and what led to the development of that product? What was the motivation? What was the problem you were trying to solve?
The main motivation was that the existing technology that was available didn't work with customers' needs anymore. So we have been talking to a couple of our customers who were always complaining about, it's not what we need anymore, and so it led to the development of a modified test method that is introduced here and will satisfy a lot of needs.
Yeah. And when you look at the products you are developing and having a business that has your own products but also is representing other people's products, how does that work? You obviously have voice of customer, which allows you to come up with the new ideas, but obviously you've got to match both together.
That is correct. We also take a lot of care that the products we do sell and distribute, as well as our own products, match, so that it offers a complete package or a complete solution to the customer.
Okay, and that holistic approach is really important. Does that come in within this whole kind of smart factory industry 4.0 remit? Are you kind of filling the gaps that are required to achieve that?
That's a yes and no answer. Okay. We focus on joining, mainly soldering. So we have equipment that would solder, from solder iron to HF soldering equipment, but we also look into quality control. Yeah. So both of these ranges do not fully work with 4.0, maybe more on the soldering side that you get cycle data or something, but usually our customers feed the information they get from the quality control equipment manually into those systems, because there is no real interface that would be workable.
Yeah, and I think that's what we're seeing, a lot of consideration with new standards and new communication standards to try and get those systems where, there aren't these gaps of manual input, because that's where you get risk in the process. So new products at the show, what's the response been thus far? I guess you've spent some of your time on those booths.
The response has been tremendous, better than we expected. We have also talked to a couple of distributors to sell our product globally. Had a good conversation yesterday with Asian companies, and it will pretty much rock the boat.
Okay. Well, rocking the boat is what we always want to do. Thanks very much for stopping by, Ernst, and thanks for talking to me.
Thank you for the interview.